Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This lecture is for grade 6 and 6 science, and our topic of today is mass and weight. We will discuss about mass and weight. We will discuss the definition and we will differentiate between mass and weight, and then we will do some activities regarding mass and weight calculation. So first of all, what are our aims? First aim is to understand difference between mass and weight. Second, understand to be able to calculate the weight of known masses. When the masses are given, they will ask you to calculate the mass or weight, how you will calculate the weight. To a scientist, weight and mass are two very different things. In general, we used to mix between weight and mass, but they are two different things. Mass is equal to the amount of matter or stuff which makes something up, and we measure mass in gram and kilogram. Usually we say the apple has a weight of 1 kilogram. Actually, this is not the weight, this is the mass. Okay, grams and kilograms are the unit of mass, not the unit of weight. So this is the one big difference between mass and weight. What is weight and how we measure weight, we will discuss later. Weight, force of gravity pulling down on you, your mass, and that force which is pulling you down, which is gravity, and the amount of gravity is 10. And weight is measured in Newton. So correct yourself, the weight which we usually see is not actually a weight, it is a mass. We say gram and kilogram, but if you will say weight, you must put Newton as a unit. Complete the worksheet weight and mass here. Copy the table into the books. Use a force meter, measure the weight of the masses and record your result in the table. No need. What you will do, if the mass is given, you have to multiply the mass with the 10. You will get the weight in the Newton. For example, this is 100 multiplied by 10 will be 1000 Newton. So the thing which has the mass 100 will possess the weight 1000 Newton. You will do all these values same like this. You have to multiply with the amount of gravity, which is 10 approx. Actual value is 9.8, but we always take approx, which is 10. So you have to multiply all these value with the 10. You will get the weight of these masses. Conclusion. We know that gravity pulls us down towards the center of the earth. The earth has the gravity, that's why we are always staying on the earth. If there is no gravity, we will usually fly. We can't stay on the earth. Anything which is staying on the earth cannot stay on the earth, it will fly in the air. For example, when you see videos of people living in space shuttles, they are moving or flying. Their movement is like flying within the shuttle. They cannot stay or keep sitting within the shuttle because there is no gravity outside the earth. Gravity is only within the earth. So we know that gravity pulls us down towards the center of the earth. Another example, when you will hold the apple in your hand and then you will leave, it will go towards the earth. Why it is not going upward? Common sense, because there is a force of gravity which is pulling the apple towards itself. On earth, gravity pulls on every 1 kg with the force of 10 Newton, 10 Newton per kg. So an object with a mass of 1 kg will have a weight of 10 Newton. Therefore, to calculate weight on earth, you simply multiply the mass by 10, which I told you before. How to calculate weight? Calculate the weight of Mrs. Carsid on Earth, her mass is approximately 60 kilogram on a good day. You have to convert this into weight in Newton. What you will do, multiply it by 10. Mass into 10 is equal to weight, which will be 60 multiplied by 10 is equal to 600 Newton. So a person, Miss Carsid, has the mass of 60 kg and her weight will be 600 Newton. After Christmas, her mass goes up to about 63 kilogram. What will her weight be? So you have to calculate her weight, which he has gained. Again, mass multiplied by 10 is equal to weight, which will be 63 times 10, which will be 630 Newton. So this is it for today. We discussed about the mass and the weight and their difference, and what you have to do, you will take different mass values and you will calculate the weight of these objects. Thank you very much. Have a good day.